Hello, everyone. Simmons here. I want to bring you another original knot. This is the Certain Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is my left side. It's at the belt line. Going to come over, put in a fold, bring it over to the center, back around like this. Then I'm going to come down like that and fold it like this and then back around like so. Come around like that, fold it in a little closer, a little towards a little more pronounced, and come back around like this and then do a wreath like so. Do a better wreath right here. There we have that. So then I'm just going to come straight up here, fold this in half up here at the top, come back over, put this here, fold it back in half again, still leave it folded in half, leave it up here on the top, fold this in half, bring it through like this, tuck it under like so, put my collar down, you have your wreath here, wreath right here, and you have a bunch of folds up here. Call it the Certain Wreath. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. Peace and God bless.